listener, welcome back to my channel. Today, as you can see, I finally have a subscription box to unbox. They are coming few and far because of everything going on right now. I have no idea when the mailing network is going to go back to normal. I'm going to suspect not for a very long time. So you may see boxes be unboxed out of order. Like I might end up unboxing, say, the Kawaii box of April sometime in July or August. I have no idea. I'm just gonna unbox boxes as they physically turn up on my doorstep. I don't know if they're still useful at that point because you can't really purchase them, but I know some people just enjoy watching them anyways, so I'm gonna keep unboxing them. I have June and July. They both came within literally a couple of days of each other, so I'm gonna film them both, but I'm going to unbox June's in this video and then July I'll unbox in a future video. But rest assured, I'm still waiting for quite a few other boxes to come. I haven't actually cancelled any of my subscriptions. I actually intend to keep them going because I just feel, I don't know, I kind of feel a little obligated because I know that most companies are probably suffering right now with everything going on, and if I can help, then I want to keep helping. Alright, so as you can see, this is June, and it looks like it's a dinosaur theme. It kind of looks dinosaur theme. I remember commenting the first time I got an Inku unbox. The first time I got an Inku box, it didn't seem to have a theme to it. So I don't know whether now they're starting to do themes, but hey, I'm all up for that. So this is some washi tape. So hopefully you can see this washi tape. It's literally like a scene from a city or a town or something. It's really cool. And then I think this is a sharpener. Yeah, sharpener, fluffy rabbits. This is really cute. We have, oh, a pen. All right, I'm gonna put this aside. Zebra, it's a zebra marker. Yeah, I'll put this aside to test. And then we have, what is this? It's like a bunch of little post-it notes. It feels like a pocket with like miniature post-it notes inside. Okay, so it's like a little, oh, and then plastic card. Yeah, these look like individual post-it notes. Really small and cute. And I guess you store them in here. I'll take this out of its plastic wrap. There's a lot of plastic, I have to admit. And then make you store them like this. That's really cute. Yeah. I'm so uncle. There. Oh, what's this? It's like coloring pencils. Japanese coloring. I don't know if this is the kanji for pencils in Pitsu, but maybe. Every time I take new pencils out, I feel really, a little part of me is like, oh, they're so perfect in their pocket, and I'm going to take them out of order. These are really cute. I might test a few colors when I test that pen. And then we've got, is this a notebook? Oh yeah, standard notebook for scribbling ideas, and all blank. And then, oh, I've seen these. I've seen similar ones in Daiso, where it's basically, actually I don't think this is the same one, is it? Okay, for some reason I thought it was maybe like a piece of cardboard with black ink on it, and then you scratch it to reveal the colors underneath. But I think this is actually a coloring book. Is it? It's a coloring book. You know what? I should probably just check the little instruction thing. Yeah, it's a coloring book. Although it's really different because there's so much black inside of it, so you kind of paint the outline instead. This is gonna be, I'm gonna actually give this to my niece. So anything that I feel like is probably not really my thing, I give to her. But I know she's actually a huge fan of Pokemon, so it makes sense. I have to say, I proudly feel like I introduced her to Pokemon because she saw me playing Pokemon Go on my phone a couple years ago when she was still really little. I guess she still is really little, but yes, she will love this. How do you color it so it looks like that? Like, that looks like they put color on the black. So yeah, that's everything in the Inku box. I'm going to put this aside and then let's test out those pens. We're a little further away from the camera than usual because I'm trying a different setup today. I don't know what it's going to turn out like. I'm going to find out after I look at the footage when I'm done, but hopefully it's okay. So this is the pen that we're going to try out. It is a Zebra dual point marker, so it's in like a blue aqua sort of color. Let's give this a shot. So this is the, I'm assuming this is the thicker end, and it draws really well. I'm pretty sure I have this in 1 or 2 other colors that I might have gotten in a Zen Pop box, and I really love them. And then this is the more fine tip end, which is more like a felt tip. This is such a nice color, such a beautiful color. And then we've got, actually, let me just quickly show you the shadow through, which there isn't really much, a little bit, but there's definitely no bleed through. And then we've got the Japanese pencils. So I think it's, you literally say Nihon no iro enpitsu. Hopefully I've said that right. I feel a lot more confident speaking Japanese in my Japanese class and with Tobias, but when it's on camera or in front of anyone else, I get very nervous. My goal is still to one day hopefully film a video on here or on some other channel in Japanese, but I think I need a lot more practice. So I'm just going to take the blue, dark blue color, and oh, it's nice. It's really nice. You know how some pencils are like, I'm not sure how to describe it. I feel like some pencils, when you color, you feel like you have to press really hard to get any sort of pigmentation. It's not the case for this one. Let me try one other color, because I feel like the pigmentation is coming through really, really nicely. Let's try something lighter, like this sort of peachy color. Oh yeah, it's coming through really nicely. I think this is orange. Wow, these are really nice pencils, which I guess does surprise me a little bit, because to me these look gimmicky on the, like when you look at them, they look kind of gimmicky, but they're actually really good quality at the same time. I just wish they weren't miniature, because it's not going to be really comfortable to use them in the long term, and then they're not going to last very long because you'll just sharpen them, and then by the time they get to here, I don't know how you could end up using them, but maybe these are like good travel pencils. So that is pretty much it. Let me know what you guys think. Thank you so much for watching. This is Celina reporting from my room. Back to you, internet.